How to fix submit button in Google Forms. Now, if you can't see submit button in your Google Forms, that is because you haven't posted it or there is some other problem such as the publisher made it private or something like that. In that case, you cannot really do anything other than wait for the publisher to make it public again. Now, if you cannot see submit button in your forms, it might be because you are seeing it from the publisher's page. Now, if you want to find the submit button in your Google Forms, you need to tap into this three dot, and after tapping in this three dot, you will get to see this option of preview. Tap into preview button, and this is how your form look like to the respondents. You just simply need to answer in your this page, and then submit button is right here, and it will work perfectly. And if it still doesn't work, you need to clear cache of your Google account, and then it will probably fix the issue. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.